Nag-attend po kami ng graduation at na-inspire po ako sa mga nag-storytelling about sa journey nila. Sabi ko sa sarili ko noon, I want to join this program. Dito ko po natutunan kung paano ang tamang pagtahak sa pagnenegosyo. I have learned in this program that we can improve ourselves and the whole society.
Waldas ako dati sa pera. Tapos yung pamilya ko, pag humihingi sa akin ng pera, bigay ako kahit wala na akong pera. Mangungutang ako para mabigyan ko lang sila. Tapos gusto ko lang magpasaya ng pamilya. Yun, nung nag-aral ako ng LSE, minahal ko na yung sarili ko. At ngayon, naging matagumpay na ang buhay ko. Kailangan lang focus. Kung ano yung pangarap nyo, tuparin nyo. Kung dati, lagi kayong waldas, ngayon matututo kayong magtipid. Dahil hindi habang buhay, nandito tayo sa ibang bansa. Kailangan din natin mag-ipon para pag uwi natin ng Pilipinas, ay meron tayong puhunang pang-negosyo.
Nalaman ko na pwede akong mag-business sa Pilipinas. Wala lang akong solid idea kung paano gawin before. Pero nung nag-join ako ng LSE, natutuwa ako nung technical parts ng business because I've been here for 8 years and I've been wanting to go back to be with my son, and I think LSE gave me a better idea how to do it soon. I think it's time for me to be with him.
Even the leadership trainings, they are very good. For example, is how to see yourself beyond what others see. It's very helpful na nalalaman din natin yung how other people think about us, how other people see us, so that from there we can learn, we can do better.
I was fortunate that I was chosen by the class to serve them, so it helps me to apply instantly yung servant leadership concepts ng one of the LSE modules. So before, I was an introvert, but the LSE helps me more to understand yung mga taong nakapaligid sa akin.
Yung learnings na matututunan sa LSE program is very practical, very doable, and it makes sense. Talagang ma-apply mo siya in your daily life. It will benefit even those who are staying in the Philippines. You'll be able to manage your own finances, put your financial lives in order. In the end, you will realize na meron tayong moral responsibility or certain moral obligation to fulfill. We can all make a difference and create an impact through social entrepreneurship.
You don't have to spend a lot of money to invest into learning. You just have to know, like, within your community there's help, and LSE is a way to go.
I believe it's a very, very good program, and I assure you na marami kayong matututunan. You will find networks of people na like-minded, mga kababayan natin na gusto ring malaman kung ano bang pwede nating gawin to help ourselves and to help our families and to help other people in the Philippines.
Kaya mga kababayan, mag-enroll na! Malaking tulong ang LSE.